Hello 8th standard students. We were discussing about the lesson understanding quadrilaterals and we were in worksheet 2. Now coming to question number 9. In the figure, already the figure is given. One pair of adjacent sides of the parallelogram are in the ratio 3:4. Means one side is 3x, the other side is 4x. Already the figure is given. If one of its angles, say angle A is right angle, means 90 degree, and the diagonal BD is equal to 10 centimeter, find the lengths of the sides of the parallelogram and the perimeter of the parallelogram. It is so easy. Right angle दिया है, opposite side दिया है, ये दोनों x में दिए हैं. So which rule we have to use? Pythagoras theorem. Okay, first you think and then proceed. Okay, given it is ABCD is a parallelogram. AD is equal to 3:4, that is why 3x. AB is equal to 4x. BD, the diagonal is 10 centimeter and angle A is equal to 90 degree. To find the sides of the parallelogram, second, the perimeter of the parallelogram. Okay, now coming to the solution. Already we got right angle triangle. So, in right angled triangle, what is the name? A, B, D. BD squared is equal to AD squared plus AB squared. So, BD squared, how much it is given? 10 squared is equal to AD, it is 3x the whole square. Now, you have to take care, 3x the whole square. AB squared is 4x the whole square. Now, this one will be 100. Now, 3 square, 3 3s are 9, x squared plus 4 4s are 16, x squared. That means 100 is equal to 16 plus 9 is 25 x squared. Therefore, x squared is equal to 100 upon 25. 25 ones are 21 4s are x squared is equal to 4. So, x is equal to square root of 4 is equal to 2. So, you got x is equal to 2. Now, AB opposite, directly you can write AB is equal to CD is equal to 4x, that is 4 into 2 is equal to 8 centimeter. Now, AD is equal to BC is equal to 3x is equal to 3 into 2 is equal to 6 centimeter, and you will write y opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. You got the sides. Now, perimeter is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus AD, or you can also write 2 into length plus breadth. So, if you take length is AB, that is a bigger one, 2 into 8 plus 6 is equal to 2 into 8 plus 6 is 14, that is 28 centimeter. Understood? Easy, isn't it? So, answer AB is equal to CD is equal to 8 centimeter. AD is equal to BC is equal to 6 centimeter. Perimeter is equal to 28 centimeter. Is it okay? So whenever there is right angle, think about Pythagoras theorem. But here you have to be careful. 3x square, the whole square. You have to write the bracket, put the bracket and the whole square and find the value. Now coming to the last sum, that is question number 10, isn't it? The ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. Show that it is a parallelogram. Now it is, we have to show ABCD is a quadrilateral. They have not given the figure. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Draw and given, right? But they have told AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. And there they have given hint to draw one of the diagonals. That's why I have drawn the diagonal AC with the dotted line. Okay. Now, to show that ABCD is a parallelogram. Solution. There are two triangles. You got two triangles. In triangle ABC and triangle CDA and triangle CDA. They have told AB is equal to CD. Next, it is given. Next side, AD, this ABC, BC is equal to DA. BC is equal to DA, AD, DA, isn't it? That is also given. Now third, it is a AC is equal to CA. That is common side. Yes or no? When both the opposite sides are given, the diagonal, it becomes the common side. That means we got what? Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA by SSS congruence. So both the triangles, they are congruent. Now we can say that angle CAB is equal to angle ACD. CAB is equal to angle ACD by CPCT. Remember CPCT, congruent, the corresponding parts of the congruent triangles. Okay, now when these two angles are equal, what does it mean? They become the which type of angle? Z. That is alternate interior angles, isn't it? So therefore AB will be parallel to DC or CD with AC as transversal and these, they will be what? Alternate interior angles. Okay, so that is why they became AB is parallel to CD. See, they have told they are equal, but we have to show the lines are parallel, because in a parallelogram the opposite sides are parallel also. That we have to show. That is why the alternate interior angles बोलकर वो दोनों parallel बोलने का. Similarly, same way AD is parallel to BC. Same way you can see, isn't it? So if you take this, so again it will be, if you take these two angles, then these two sides also will be parallel. Hence, AB CD is a parallelogram. Why? AB is parallel to CD, AD is parallel to BC. When both the opposite pairs of sides, two pairs of opposite sides are parallel and equal, then it becomes a parallelogram. Hope you understood. So first draw the diagonal and say both the triangles are equal. Then say the angles are equal by CPCT, and those angles become the alternate interior angles, and that is why those sides will be, opposite sides will be parallel. Similarly, the other side also it will be parallel. So that is why they become the parallelogram. That figure becomes a parallelogram. Understood everyone? So we have completed worksheet 2. Hope everyone understood. Okay then, bye. Thank you.